and sick now. Bowie's in space. Bowie's in space. This is Bowie Talk to Bowie. I really don't know now. Yo, what's up? Just want to invite everybody tonight for the schmooze. We actually have earnings reports that came out today. This day's been so long and exciting that I almost forgot that Bed Bath & Beyond came out with earnings this morning. The stock was getting crushed, so of course we bought it because I read in the fine print on the Bed Bath & Beyond report that if you actually walk into Bed Bath & Beyond, you get cancer and Ebola, and they take your firstborn. So once I read that, I had to get involved immediately at 18 bucks this morning. And again, any company that reports earnings in the stock market nowadays, just buy it if they're down because they go up, and crushed it. But more importantly, we're still seeing the greatest market of all time that continues to happen. I'm really just searching for worthless companies now, and I'm buying them. Not buying them just finding them and buying them. I find them, I put them on a list, right? And then I wait for them to do something that proves to me that my stupid, retarded, dumb, irresponsible, undisciplined idea is working. So I take a dumb idea, and if it's validated, then it's not that dumb anymore. So let's talk about XNET. XNET woke up finally. XNET was the only Bitcoin piece of shit, worthless company stock that hadn't done anything yet. We got the Riot, you got the Mara, then you got the BTBT. Why wasn't XNET joining in on the fun? Remember the rule of this market's trading. There's a line of stocks waiting outside the government door. The government has $7 trillion in cash. Every once in a while, you got to just wait your turn. All right, Riot. All right, here's a couple of billion. You go. All right, well, you're good now. Oh, wait, Mara? Yeah, here's a couple of bill for you too. What's this BTBT? I never even heard of you. All right, here's a couple of bill for you too. And then XNET's over in the corner. Yo, what about me? Fuck you, man. We already gave enough money to these other Bitcoin bullshit stocks. Oh, man. And, XNET's hanging out in the corner over there, jacking off, trying to, getting all pissed off. Man, this is bullshit. How come no one's even thinking about me, man? Oh, man. A couple of weeks go by. XNET's smoking crack in the corner, covered in his own feces. Government says, hey, buddy, you know what? You waited long enough. We'll give you a shot. Here you go. Here's some money. We're going to rip you. Boom. XNET wakes up. What's going on? Why is XNET going up? Who gives a fuck? If it breaks 420, buy it. If it breaks 420, you're going to get 5. If it breaks 5, you're going to 550. If you go to 550, you might be going to 750. There's options in XNET? Yes, there are. How about we buy the 5s? Why don't we just buy the 5s for 20 cents? Why don't we? Next thing you know, they're at $1. And that's the market. Go look for the biggest piece of shit stock that hasn't moved yet, because if any day it's going to pop. Remember Fossil? You guys still in Fossil? You're still a company? You make watches still? Here's a couple of billion. Let's run that. So you know what we traded today? Ameren. Yeah, Ameren. 25 years. Ameren. It's the same shitty company that they take a bunch of fish oil vitamins and they smush them together. Look, we've got a wonder drug. It's a fish oil vitamin. For 25 years, they've been talking about how this company is going to revolutionize cholesterol drugs and heart disease, and now they cure cancer. They don't do dick. But the stock broke out of a range. I guess it's Ameren's turn to run. You're buying Ameren. That's what this market's all about. Go to the next psychotic idea. go to the next, and I was going to get to DDD. 5 years. I'm waiting for the stock to move $1. 5 years. I'm losing money trying to trade DDD with options. 5 years. It makes up for 5 years of doing nothing in one day. We were in this stock this morning. I couldn't believe I was even buying it. All right, it's breaking the VWAP. It's breaking the pre-market range. I'll give it a shot here. I can't believe I'm buying this thing at 1480. Goes to 1525. I'm thinking, holy shit, I can't believe this thing's still going. I'm out. 15 bucks. Stock's at 2450. The only way you're going to survive the next crash, and it's coming, when DDD is going up in 100% increments, when XNET is doubling, when every stock on the earth is just waiting their turn to go up hundreds of percent, this is not going to end well. But it could last for 5 more years. It could last for 12 more years. It won't end well, but there's no way that you're going to be able to time when you get out, or if you're stupid enough to try to short it like me, you're going to get crushed. Because look at the Qs. I bet you thought the market was going to go down today, right? It was a little political unrest. The Dems won Georgia. That was supposed to crash the market. Biden was supposed to crash the market. Political uncertainty was supposed to crash the market. The Iranian anniversary was supposed to crash the market. The price of oil was going to crash the market. Everything's going to crash the market. But then you got the government. Nah, we got 13 trillion ready to go. We're never going down, you dumb fucking cocksucker. Ever. I don't give a shit what you think. Thinking is done. The people that are getting rich in this market, it's not me. Because my rational thought prevents me from owning a DDD. I buy something at $13.75. Sorry, $14.75. It goes to 15 and a quarter. I'm up 500 bucks. Woo! Never in a million years did I think the stock would be anywhere near 1750, let alone 20, let alone 24. But the way I trade is that I'm never going to get caught in a hole. I'm not holding overnights. And one day when this market actually does go down for more than 45 minutes, I'll be liquid that day, and I'll be able to enjoy that day when it does go down. Because it will happen. We will have a 3-day sell-off sometime this year. I'm telling you. We're going to go down 3 fucking days in a row. It's going to be sick. Sick. I've seen it happen. I'm telling you. I've seen the market go down for an entire day. It's actually happened. I've seen it happen I've seen it go down 2 days in a row once. And I've seen it go down 3 days. I'm telling you, that elusive shit pooping unicorn rainbow. I've seen the market go down 3 days in a row. I'm telling you, it's happened. I've seen a year when the market wasn't even up. Sick. I mean, I think about 5 or 6 years ago, the market was like it was down like 3% for the year. Crazy. I saw when the market actually went down like 12% one year. It was nuts. Crazy times. So to my friends out there, I know there's not many left because you're all been blown up. This is not for you guys. Fuck you. The market never goes down. There was this one guy, every time I would make a video and I would say the market never goes down and the market would go down tomorrow, he'd say, look at this moron. He keeps saying the market never goes down. Oh, by the way, fuck you again. 314.40 on the Qs. Remember at 68 bucks, I said the market never goes down, 72, 90, 120. Remember I said 320 by the end of 2020? I was off by 4 points. Come on, man. You know why I'm so good at this? Because I used to be a shorter. Oh, no. Let me rephrase that. I am a shorter. And I'm still getting my ass kicked every time I stay in a short position. But I'm making that money back and then some by joining in on this fucking frenzy shit. So the reason I'm good at this is because I know how the other side is thinking. And I know you can't stay short stocks breaking over VWAP and multiple time frame VWAPs. So I've accepted how dumb and irresponsible it is to short stocks. I will attempt to do it every once in a while. Today, US Steel was not bad. Broke the VWAP, rolled over, actually got paid on a US Steel short. I can't believe it. But most of the time, if you're shorting, you're going to lose money, and you're going to lose big. And you have unlimited risk against you. This market could legitimately go up from here another 100, 200. You don't think that the Dow can hit 60,000 within the next 2 years? Why? Why not? It's all fake. You think that the debt, that's everybody's defense. We can't keep printing money and raising the debt. Let me explain debt to you as simple as I can. I borrowed $1,000 from my friend John. I also borrowed $1,000 from this guy, Rob. I never see John. John doesn't give a shit about the money. Plus, I could kick John's ass. Do I really owe John that $1,000? Yeah, not really. But I see Rob every 3 days, and he's a big guy, and he wants that money back. I owe money to Rob. Do I owe money to John? Fuck John. No offense, John. I don't owe you $1,000 because I'll kick your ass. We don't owe money to anybody.
Well, what about China? What about all this the collateralized mortgage loans?
What about it? We don't owe the money to anybody because we're not paying it back. There is no debt. It's an illusion. Just like the stock market. Just let it sink in, people. It's all fake. Ride the snake, baby. Ride the snake. Make the money, take the money, then it's real. Yeah, you'll be unhappy about selling $13 stocks for a $500 profit, then looking at it 20 minutes later and thinking you could have made 10 grand. Yeah, it hurts. But you know what? It could have rolled over and went down. Is easy. If you take the money, they can't take it away from you unless you press the button again. So am I getting a little bit agitated about how the market never goes down? No, I've been agitated. You know why I hate when the market goes up every day? Because every schmuck on YouTube, every douchebag analyst, everyone's right about everything. They can just throw price targets out there and just say, hey, look how smart I am. They don't know dick. The market's going up every single day. Everyone's right. Right? Everyone's right. $25 on DDD. Stock's up 10 points since I sold it today. And that's a real company. This is absurd. And it keeps happening every day. Wow. And by the way, we joked about the Bitcoin, right? If it breaks 20,000, it'll go to 50,000. You're almost there. Bitcoin is the biggest illusion that there is. They've made something that's worthless now worth something. Now that it's worth something, people want to buy it, which makes it more valuable. And then it feeds on itself. And now it is a thing. And now it's real. The illusion has become reality. Where it's going to end, who knows? When volatility comes up, when volatility starts to make a move for more than 20 minutes, 45 minutes, or a day, and we start seeing the selling, then it'll be over. For now, market never goes down. Market never goes down, ever. It never goes down. How do you get yourself in trouble in a market like this? You buy a worthless stock and you let it go against you, hoping that it's going to come back. You'll probably be right by waiting it out. But the one time you do, that trade becomes 10 times worse. Then you get out, then it comes back. So I still want to be nimble. I still want to try to be somewhat disciplined. But damn, we are at the completely irrationally exuberant stage. But this stage could last for another 3, 5, 7 years. Wow. Officially up 10 points since I sold it now. DDD. It's just insane. But yeah, tonight's going to be a doozy because we got a lot of stocks that are right at strike prices. By the way, well played on the Jumama. Guy was texting me yesterday. He's like, what do you think I should do with this Jumama? I'm down. I'm getting hammered. I'm in from 40. I'm like, chances are it'll bounce 5 points tomorrow. Here's your 5 points. It's unbelievable. It's a very forgiving market until it's not. And right now it still is. So you got to, if you're not trading over your head and buying out of the money options and gambling completely on just dumb stuff, very difficult to lose money in a market that never goes down. Dollar cost averaging is, even the PBI trade, the one trade that we were down on this year, $1 cost average, now you're up on that trade too. I mean, even space, you bought it at 27.50, right? It went to 30, came all the way back down. Dollar cost average on that one too at 23. Now your cost average is 24.50. We're up money on that trade. But I'm telling you, by January, by next week, I will be 100 completely free of the market, and I'm not coming back. Not coming back. I don't need to own stocks. I want to be nimble. I want to do what I do. Hire a couple of knuckleheads to work for me. Manage some money because that's what I need. I need to manage more positions during the day because the days are great. Except I can only do maybe 2 at a time, 3 tops. Because there's no reason. The only reason I sold that at DDD was because I was looking at some other ideas. I was like, ah, cool, quick money, let me get out. Just crazy stuff. But yeah, Gregory Mannarino, right? You'll be right again, right? You're right because the guy who's been calling for a market crash since 2012 every day says the same thing, right? We're doomed. Currency's worthless, blah, blah, blah. We're going down, right? Harvey Dent, he's calling for a 40% crash any day now. Right. At least they're calling, at least they're going on the opposite side. I respect the people that are calling the crashes now. Albeit you're wrong, but at least you're not just one of these typical guys on CNBC. Oh, I think the market will be up 8 to 12% today. Oh, do you? That's going out on a limb. You know who's going out on a limb today? Morgan Stanley. JP Morgan upgrades 3D Systems to $14 from $8. They upgraded the stock. Oh, by the way, it's finally a short right now. Oh! I missed it. I'm not shorting it now. I just missed it. Fuck. Nothing would please me more to short DDD right back to 1250. But anyway, oh, my bagel's burning. Love that smell. The hell was I just talking about? I don't have no idea now. See, I went off on to talk about something else, and now I don't know where I was. All right, that's the end of the video then. Tonight, join us. We're going to talk about all this crap, how to parlay this information into options. We'll have a few drinks. We'll shoot some guns. We'll burn things down. I hear that's all in the rage. It's all the rage right now. And by the way, raise your hand if you thought the political uncertainty and rioting might cause the market to go down today. I did. I'm always thinking, oh my God, we're going to get hammered tomorrow. Yeah, okay. One day that'll happen. But actually, no, the DDD is actually a legitimate short now. Just hit 25. You got to capitulate. You got to blow off top candle at $25. Actually, it was a pretty good short. Shit, it's happening now. We started 6. We played some Grateful Dead, smoke a couple of some bad hits. You know, I'm playing Syracuse show, September 24th, 1982. If you were there, great show from the Carrier Dome in Syracuse, September 24th, 1982. We're playing the Dead show, most of the show. And then we have a live DJ come on. And then options and all that stuff. VWAP Nation is going to be simulcasting it. But more importantly, the Dennis Dick will be here from the Benzinga pre-market prep show. Guy trades 70 positions at a time. So, interesting fellow to talk to. All right. Email me, thewarlock@hitthebid.com. I'll start sending out the invites and passwords and all that stuff. Bowie's in space. I'm not on the room. Oh, the DDD short's going to hurt my feelings now. Oh, you son of... I was off by 10 cents. Damn. I guess I should have hit the button again. I was right about the blow-off top candle, Bowie. That would have been a nice $1,100 right there. Damn. What the hell was I saying? I don't even know. I don't know. Of course it just did that. Ask me why I thought it was a short. Come to the room. I'll explain why it was a short at $24.35. Son of a bitch. See, that's 15 cents I didn't want to pay down for. I knew this thing was about to roll over. Hit the button next time, you dummy. It's 15 cents difference cost me $1,000 just now. Damn it. Pecker. Well, that was yesterday, right? Where is that today? Oh, back to 15. Stock goes to 100 now, right? What is Pecker? Pecker's back. Oh, it actually went to 16 today. It doesn't even matter. Just bang your head on a keyboard, hit buy. You got a good shot of making money. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking at just I need 5 more worthless stocks for tomorrow. Just sick. All right. The Warlock at hitthebid.com. And if you join now, you get one of these fancy jackets and a top hat because we're partying like it's 1999 every day. All right. You get a shock collar, fancy jacket, and a hat. Because if you trade anything other than VWAP, you get a shock in the neck. God damn you, DDD. Now it's a $2,000 trader left on the table here. Did you guys short DDD? I'm good. I know what I'm talking about, man. I know what I'm doing. I didn't just mention DDD because I felt like it. As soon as I sat down, I was like, this is a short right here. Damn it. So does that make me right or wrong? What you just witnessed is what I do. I talk about setups. I mention them to my people. And I don't take the trade myself, and then it works out for everybody else except for me. So is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's good for you. Sucks for me. But that's what it's all about. You guys are here to exploit me for the warlocky magic powers that I still cannot fully control. I'm getting better. But I think my powers are only here to serve the public. So let me help you. Help me help you. 10, I'll be shorting that shit too one day. Freaking solar stocks up 7,000%. This market's a joke. Be careful out there, kids. I'll see you tonight. Bowie's in space. The Warlock at hitthebid.com. Do it. Do it.